Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well. So today I'm going to be breaking down all of the Foreo by Sweden UFO activated masks from the Farm to Face collection. Also, if you haven't seen my original UFO activated mask video where I break down the core and also the advanced collection mask, then I will link that down below, as well as the UFO 2 first impression review and demo that I did. Now, without further ado, let's get right into this video. Now, all of the UFO activated masks that you use with your UFO device are made from the purest and premium ingredients, and the Farm to Face UFO activated masks are also 100% plant-based, biodegradable, cruelty, paraben and sulfate free. Overall, the benefits of the UFO team with the Smart Mask are that the mask is distributed evenly, it absorbs more efficiently, and it locks in moisture. There are 6 different types of masks that make up the Farm to Face collection, including Bulgarian rose, coconut oil, Manuka honey, acai berry, green tea, and their newest launch, which is cannabis seed oil. Each box contains 6 mask treatments, and the box itself retails for $18.99 and can be purchased directly from the Foreo website. The Foreo Face to Farm collection combines internationally sourced natural ingredients to deliver nutrient-rich and potent natural plant-based formulas for your face. Starting off with Bulgarian rose, this mask can be used with the UFO and UFO 2 and is suitable for all skin types, but it's specifically targeted for anyone who has dull, dehydrated or dry skin. This is a hydrating 2-minute treatment that is infused with Bulgarian rose and jojoba seed oil and combines a mix of thermotherapy, red light, T-sonic pulsations, cryotherapy and green light to help hydrate, soothe and even the skin tone. The coconut oil formula is a nourishing mask that contains coconut water and coconut oil and is wonderful for anyone who has dehydrated or dry skin. This 2-minute treatment is compatible with all UFO devices and is suitable for all skin types. And this moisturizing treatment combined with the UFO uses thermotherapy, T-sonic pulsations and red and green LED light to nourish, revitalize and perfect the skin. Manuka honey is a 2-minute treatment that again can be used with all UFO devices. Manuka honey and allantoin are the key ingredients within this mask that help to deliver a revitalizing treatment perfect for dehydrated, aging and dry skin. The thermotherapy, T-sonic pulsations and red and orange LED light from the UFO aid in revitalizing and refining the complexion for an all-round radiant glow. Acai berry is a smoothing and anti-aging 2-minute treatment suitable for all skin types. Acai berry and shea butter are the key ingredients within this mask that help with skin conditions such as diminished elasticity, wrinkles, fine lines and dull skin to deliver a hydrating, smoothing and reviving treatment compatible with all UFO devices. This smoothing mask combined with the thermotherapy, T-sonic pulsations, red and purple LED light help to smooth, firm and reduce the appearance of fine lines. The green tea UFO activated mask is a purifying 2-minute treatment for all skin types that is suitable for the UFO and UFO 2. Key ingredients include green tea from Japan and Ulmus davidiana root extract that make this an excellent all-round mask for oil and blemish-prone skin to help soothe, rejuvenate and protect the skin. Thermotherapy, T-sonic pulsations, cryotherapy and green and blue LED light help overall purify, calm and reduce the appearance of imperfections. The final and newest Farm to Face UFO activated mask is cannabis seed oil. Now I am yet to try this one, but what I can tell you is this is a 2-minute treatment compatible with the UFO and UFO 2, and it's suitable for anyone with stressed, red and irritated skin. Key ingredients include cannabis sativa seed oil from Germany, magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, and Chamomilla recutata flower extract, which when teamed with the UFO's T-sonic pulsations, cryotherapy, green, cyan and blue LED light, make this the perfect mask to calm, soothe, hydrate and regulate oil production. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye!